Ministry bans cough syrup-flavored ice cream. The Malaysian Health Ministry has banned the sale of cough syrup-flavored ice cream after discovering that a local franchise was using Papacoa brand cough syrup as an ingredient. This decision follows inspections and social media advertisements. Promoting the product, the ministry emphasized that the Food Act 1983 prohibits mixing medicines with food. Violators face fines up to 20,000 Malaysian ringgits, imprisonment up to 5 years, or both. The public is urged to be cautious about food safety and report any concerns to health authorities. Health Ministry